Hi, my name is Adrian Nazari. I'm CEO and founder of CreditSesame. With me is Irene Shablati, Head of Marketing. We're glad to be here and kick off the show. Prior to founding CreditSesame, I provided technology to top-tier banks and financial advisory firms for many years, helping them with credit and lending decisions. We know consumer debt is a big problem. U.S. households have over $14 trillion of debt. And recent survey has indicated that 1 out of 2 consumers are worried about that. CreditSesame has a unique solution to that consumer problem. We're going to show you how it works. With that, the first thing that consumers have to do is to create an account with us. Creating an account is very easy to do. It takes just a couple of minutes, and it is absolutely free. No gimmicks, no trial period, nothing. Once you create an account, we basically go to work for the consumers. We work on their behalf. What we do behind the scene is really where the action is, and I'm going to tell you what happens. First thing we do for the consumer, we paint a complete picture of their credit and debt. Then we analyze that picture, that is all of their loans, in one stroke against the backdrop of thousands of products in the market. And then we'll let them know how they're doing, what's right, what's wrong, and how they could improve that picture with pre-qualified loans based on lenders' guidelines in real time. What we solve is a complex problem, but as you see on the screen, we have a very easy and simple way for consumers to get their picture. Here, the picture shows that this consumer is not optimized for saving. We could explore various financial details. You could see their credit score. We provide that for free. We have found their total monthly payment obligations. Here is their home value. You could look at the details of their loans. Imagine, again, that the consumer has not given us any of that information. They just fill out a simple form, and we're able to bring all of that picture forward. What we do for consumers is we refresh this data every month, so they always know their picture at a glance at any given time. We could explore more details. We'll give them a view of their credit as seen by lenders and financial institutions quickly. We could show them the view of their debt and the analysis of that debt. We have a very unique technology that evaluates each components of their debt, their mortgage, their home equity, and their debt holistically. We provide them with trending information. We'll give them a view and understanding of their home or asset. And all of that information and the analysis goes into the engine that provides the recommendation. Now, with respect to what we do with our technology, in addition to providing a complete picture literally in a matter of a couple of minutes, and our consumers have told us that this gives them instant gratification to know that immediately, is that we have a patent-pending one-step technology that lowers consumer payment across all their loans in one step. There's no bank or service out there in the market that could optimize consumers' entire debt or loans in one place. So if you want to take a look at a recommendation that is generated here and see what are the components there, we've generated $763 per month in saving, or roughly about $136,000 of total savings. We have evaluated 1,286 scenarios and thousands of products in real time, and I've narrowed down the choices always to top 3 proposals that have the most financial benefit to consumers so that you could compare those side by side. Now, how are these different from savings or the proposals you may see out there? Well, they're different in the following way. We not only get consumer picture and information, we aggregate that, but we combine that with lending guidelines of lenders in real time. And we have market intelligence, which is very unique to us. And we have this scientific analytics that combines them together, evaluates them in order to bring top 3 proposals at any given time. It's kind of like having your own financial advisor working with top-notch loan experts of top lenders and your economists all working for you in one place, except it will take them weeks to do all these scenarios, evaluate them, price them, look at what's right for you. We do that in just a matter of few seconds. And of course, you probably have to pay them a lot of money, and we'll do that for free. In fact, what we found is that through this optimization and the process we have, we save an average consumer over $600 per month, average homeowner over $600 per month, and we basically turn every stone. Now, we have a very unique feature with the advice. You could customize it with your preferences, but you could also do planning. Our what-if feature allows you to see what happens to your finances under different circumstances. For example, this particular client has a credit score of 690. We could look at what happens if their income goes up, their score changes, things of that nature. Let's do a change of their score, for example. If their score goes from 690 to 700, let's see what happens to their saving. Look, keep your eye on the 763 and the $136,000 overall saving. We're going to run that update. Basically, we're running that scenario in real time to see what happens. And now we see that $790 of saving got generated, or it was a $5,000 additional saving that got generated by that small change. Now, how many people in America know that today? Not many, but now they can, and they could run various scenarios to see when is the right time to take action. You could explore the details of these proposals. At detail level, we're transparent. We'll give you a complete comparison with your existing loans. We're forward-looking, which is very unique, and you could apply right online. Our fulfillment partners will fulfill your request promptly. We don't get paid until that loan is completed. If you go back to the overview, kind of do a recap, we've solved a complex problem in a very easy way. We know consumers are busy, so we monitor the market on their behalf so they don't have to. We find the smallest changes that could save them a lot of money and will alert them. We invite you to go to CreditSesame, check it out. We like your feedback, and we'll let you use it. Thank you very much.